We are at Astoria on the 28th floor. We we ran the sink machine down drain for pool pump. That is a P-trap. What is that? Is that my drop head? That's my drop head.
Looks like
There goes my drop head.
in the P-trap.
Looks like it. Yeah, it's right there. Well, what is that? That's the vent. That's the T. I'm gonna go past that. That has to be the P-trap. Sorry.
Hold it right there. Hold it. Push it a little bit. Push it a little bit. Push it more. Seems like you. Right there. Hold it right there. Hold it right there. Is that your head? Right there. Oh, you passed it already. Right there.
Yeah, that's my head.
Yeah.
And what is it on? Is this right there, head there?
It's like it's not as stuck in the PVC. Or?
No, it's just laying there.
It's just laying there.
Flat. Pipe's
Yeah.
flat.
Is this the bottom?
That would look like it. Yeah. That's the top.
Okay. And you already
We got stopped it.
passed the P-trap?
Yeah, we passed that. I can't see. I'm not gonna see it catching. I can tell you whenever it goes through it, it fights it. Like bad. Just the same way, same way. And that's it. Well, you should be able to go down there and have P-traps too. That's going to be right below right here. So,
Are you in like 5 feet? 4, 5 feet?
no, we're just right here.
Oh, right there?
We're just right
Oh,
Same
right
spot.
on the P-trap.
here. Same spot.
Yeah.
It's stuck in there. But it got stuck. I couldn't get it out.
Yeah.
So you think that pipe is flat?
Huh?
The pipe is mush?
No, something's. It probably is. I don't know, man.
Grout or?
I don't see no ground in it.
Yeah.
I wonder if it's. I wonder if they use pressure 90s on it. I wonder if they have pressure 90s on it. That's why it's having a hard time making the turns. Yeah.
Possibility.
Because
Yeah.
if this is going to, we don't even know if this is going to sanitary sewer.
Probably.
It should be.
Yeah.
So it has to have P-trap somewhere because the smell ain't coming out.
Mm-hmm.
But we hit water right here, huh? You see, that's the P-trap right there. See the water?
That's the water. Boom.
That's
Hit
the
the
water.
water.
And then we hit right there.
And then make it turn. And that's your...
Yeah, you see how I did like that? It has to be a P-trap. Okay. Next thing to do is cut sheetrock below. And we can run the camera better if you want to see what's further down the line. And we
Yeah.
can take out the, we can take out the drop head. Still there?
Yeah. Right there. Right there.
Yeah, see?
Right on
We
the
can
P-trap.
take that. Yeah, we can take it out. We'll be able to take it out, and that'll be down there. And then we can run the cable more to see what the heck's going on. Why is it hitting like that?
Yeah.
All right.
So we gotta go downstairs.
All right. That is going to be it for this survey. We cannot get past the P-trap. And we're going to have to go down to 27.